All right, we've got a real treat here today. Locally owned, recently traded. This is a 2015 Cadillac ATS Premium Luxury with the 3.6 liter V6 engine, 321 horsepower. It's finished in the Phantom Gray. It's a premium paint. Really cool car. The ATS comes in a few different trim levels. This is the top of the line before you go to an ATS-V, which completely changes the car. This exhaust. You have the 18-inch machined polished wheels. Now, since this is a premium luxury, you're going to get the IntelliBeam headlamps, and you can't really see in the video very well, but it has the bright white, almost a blue tint in the headlamps. It also has the driver awareness package, so you have the blind spot alert. Somebody's in your blind spot, it'll alert you right here in your mirror. It has forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, so you can control the speed that you're going, and if the car in front of you slows down, you will slow down as well so you don't hit it. As we look inside the cabin here, the finish inside is of premium quality, as you would expect with the premium luxury. Has the microfiber suede on the upper part of the doors, Kona leather, natural grain wood, BOSE surround sound, memory 10-way memory power seats. You've got your memory settings right here. Kona premium leather. This also has the heads-up display, so there's a hologram in the windshield. I don't know if you can see it or not, but let's try to zoom in right there. That's projected onto the windshield, so you can see how fast you're going, and it also gives you your compass. It has the performance seats, so the bolsters are on the sides here. And it has paddle shifters right here. Now, what's really nice about this car, it has the magnetic ride control, the same magnetic ride control you're going to find in the Escalade and the Corvette. Really cool. You've got the Q system with the 8-inch touchscreen. If we look inside here, in reverse, you've got the reverse camera. But not a lot of people know about this little compartment right here. You slide your finger like this. You've got another hidden compartment. There's your wireless charger. And you just swipe that on top, closes it. Your mode, you can do sport mode, snow and ice, touring. This has the 5-inch display, all digital. And again, this has the power telescoping steering wheel, up and down, in and out. The other ATSs won't have that. Just check out the trim inside. It's absolutely beautiful. Very elegant car. Only 31,000 miles. It is Cadillac certified, so you get a warranty 6 years from the in-service date, the date that it was originally sold, or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. This was nearly $60,000 new. It is available for sale. We do offer financing. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, 813-520-3399. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out the other vehicles I have available. Absolutely gorgeous inside and out. And lots of room in the back seat. Another really cool feature, it has the illuminated door handles, so at nighttime these light up. Thanks for watching. Again, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing this vehicle, you can reach me at 813-520-3399.